those eyebrows nice and snatched but natural. It's gonna be like that fluffy model soap brow kind of look. So today's video is going to actually be a review on NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Pen. It is a tiny little brush-like pen. So it's gonna give you incredible hair-like strokes. So I'm going to be demoing this product for you guys, but before I do that, I'm actually going to do this soap brow technique on my eyebrows just because I feel like it gives me a little bit of a lift near my eyes. I'm actually going to be using a product called DUPE Brows. And this is an all-natural soap making company. And luckily they actually decided to make these, and I think they're so versatile and cute and small. So pretty much it comes in a tin, they're soap, and you open up the tin and there we go, there it is. And honestly, you guys, I don't even need to worry about breaking out with this product because it just doesn't. It's that natural. It comes with this cute little bamboo spoolie as well, and I'm gonna go in on that spoolie, spray some water on it, and then dig into the soap. If you guys were interested in seeing how I do that, let me know in the comments down below and I can definitely make a separate video. Alright guys, so I've actually decided to come back and show you what the difference is between a soap brow and my regular brow. See, like, my brows honestly just flop down, they never stay up, and this is why I like to use soap on them. Hint, hint, sometimes if I just don't feel like working with the soap, or I feel like it may be, you know, just too much of a regular day to actually make my brows stand out that much, I end up going in with aloe vera. I feel like aloe vera has a little bit of that sticky consistency as well, but it's not as heavy duty as soap maybe. So, no soap brow. Soap brow. So this is what it looks like without the product. If you guys can't tell, I actually have been growing out my eyebrows a little bit. It is a little bit of a lengthy process, but you know, we'll get through it. Sorry if you guys see that little light in the back. That is me holding my mirror and it is, you know, reflecting the light. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into it. Before I use this product, I do like to give it a shake. If you can hear, there is a little bit of a shaker in there. All right. And I've actually been using this every day, and so far it hasn't dried up on me. I've had it for about 2 weeks now, and I use it pretty consistently because I do like my natural brows. The trick with this, you guys, is that you really don't want to have a heavy hand. Going into the actual brow, we're just creating tiny, tiny hair strokes. I usually put my pinky somewhere on my nose just so I can have, you know, a little bit of a balance. You don't want to be moving your entire hand. Think of it more as a flick. I like to start somewhere down here and just very, very lightly fill in any gaps that you may want to fill in. So I want to fill this area in a little bit more, maybe a little hair here. And there we go. I'm going to show you guys the difference. So this is the filled in, not filled in. The difference is pretty subtle, but it does give you that fuller effect. So if what you're going for is natural, just a little bit of extraness, this is a great pen. What are my final thoughts on this product? Honestly, I love it. I personally love it. If you're the type of person that just loves the natural finished look, this is perfect for you. This is definitely not for structured brows. This is more for filling in the gaps. honestly, I don't think this is something I would wear out on a very special occasion. Perhaps I would use it just on the beginning of my brow near my nose to fill in this little extremely sparse area that I have. But for days like that, I would probably be using brow pomade or even combining both of the products together. The one con that I can think of is if you're going to be sweating a lot, I would not say that this is entirely waterproof. I do notice that it does smudge a little bit, so you should keep that in mind. However, the actual performance of this pen is amazing. Really, really good. I hope you guys found this video informative and that you enjoyed it. Once again, if you do want to see how I do my soap brows, I could definitely upload a video like that for you. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great day.